Hi, Scott again here. And I had something happen this week on my Roku Smart TV that you may be experiencing. I had the TV on and I turned it back on after my wife had been watching it and it was fine. And then I turned it on and the voices were out of sync with the mouth movements. And if you see a gun shooting, you hear the sound and then you see the gun go off. Or it's just out of sync. It's not perfectly aligned with mouth movements and the voices. So there's several things that you can do to fix this. The first one, the easiest one, is just unplug the TV, count to a slow 30, and then plug it back in and turn it on. In many cases, that will fix it. The other way you can fix it is with the remote, you push the home button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm not pushing it, I'm just touching it 5 times. The up arrow here once, the fast forward button twice, twice, and that was the rewind, and the fast forward twice. So I'm going to point it at the TV and do it so you can see the effect it has. So the home button 5 times, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. The up button once. The rewind button twice, once, twice, and the fast forward button twice. So this is doing much like you would do on a PC where you do Control-Alt-Delete and it reboots your computer, the PC computer, to get it restarted and fix a lot of the problems on the PC. This does the same thing with the Roku Smart TVs. It might take you a half minute for it to go black, and it's probably just a computer in the TV. That's probably exactly what it's doing. It goes black just like your computer does when you reboot it, and it takes a minute to start back up. It'll come back up like this, and then it may go black again, and then it will come back up. So we'll wait for it to go black again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, black. Nope. Guessed wrong. Okay, so it's going to go black any moment now. Okay, there it goes. And then it will come back up. Don't know why it does that twice like that. But then within just a few seconds, it will come back up. And your sound could be working. So try it then. The other way you can do this is you go to your sound leveling. So you go from, see where is the home right here. You go up once to settings, and then you go over, and then you go down to audio. And well, let's see, let's go down to system instead. I could have just gone up. Okay, let's go down to system and then over, and we're going to go down to, I could have gone up there too, would have been faster. Advanced system settings, you can go factory reset, and you can just do reset TV audio / picture settings, and then you just push this button 3 times, the play and pause button 3 times. You'd go 1, 2, 3, but since I've just rebooted it, I don't need to do that to reset those, but you can do that. That's another way to take care of it. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go clear back to the top level, to home. This is the next one to do, to try. You get it on the live TV, and I've got it set to channel 3 right now, so it's not showing a program. So then you push the star or the asterisk button right here. Push the asterisk, and you come down to leveling, and you push the right button right here, the right arrow, and you go down and turn it off. And then this will go away in just a second. Go away. And then you can just change to a channel, and that should fix it. But if it doesn't, then you can try one of these other things. The other thing, the um, last thing you want to do is you can go over, well, let's see, we were on settings. We went from home, up one, over here, and we can go up to system, and then over, and let's see if we can go up. Yeah, to go advanced system settings, back over factory reset, and come down and say factory reset everything. This is a last result. Then you come over here and you punch in the code that's showing right here, and it changes every time you come to this screen. So it's 7987 for this particular time. So you'd put that in, go down and press OK, and it resets everything. But be warned, this resets everything, so you have to type in your network name, your password, your location, everything. So don't do it unless nothing else works. But that should, with all those possibilities, from the easiest to the worst case, that should take care of any sound problems you're having. And it can actually take care of a lot of other problems that you may have come across as well. So you can go down this list and try each of those, and then let me know down below how that worked, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel, and leave any comments down below that you have about anything else you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.